It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
We're all familiar with tile and shingle roofs here in San Diego, but have you ever considered a metal roof? Cesar from Howard & Sons is here to talk about metal roofs. Now, metal roofs are something that not everybody knows about. Tell people what a metal roof really is.
A metal roof is, in essence, metal panels, or we have metal shingle roofs. And one of the things that, or many of the things that attracts consumers to metal roofs is, of course, the beauty and the elegance, not to mention the longevity.
Now, they look amazing. That's one of the things that I was struck by when I started looking at some of the images. I know we're seeing some of those images today. Is that a primary driver for people to choose a metal roof? Is that look that you can only get with a metal roof?
Of course, the curb appeal that it brings to the home, not to mention the fact that it increases the home's value tremendously, are some of the things that stand out when it comes to metal roofs.
How about before and after? Have you seen homes just completely transformed before the metal roof and after the metal roof?
Night and day. The elegance that a metal roof brings to the home is incredible.
And is there any particular style that it works with or won't work with of home, or can it be made to work with just about any style?
It can be made to work with any style. It's primarily up to the consumer.
I see them a lot on contemporary homes, and I love that look, but I know people like other looks that it can fit with them. There's other benefits besides the look. The longevity is a key. Tell us how long they last and compare that to a normal roof.
Okay, so take a standard shingle roof, for example. They last anywhere from 15 to 20 years, as to where a metal roof will last at least 50 years, no problem.
50, so double what a traditional roof
Absolutely.
will. Is that partly because the UV rays of the sun are not going to penetrate that metal and get down to the underlayment, the felt, which is what breaks down normally in a roof?
Of course, that's one of the many features, but standing seam metal roofs, for example, are covered with a Kynar coating or coated with a Kynar coating that prevents that UV ray from getting in, so they're much more energy efficient than your standard roof as well.
And they can also prevent the patina that some metals get. If people don't like that look, they don't have to have it because of that coating.
Correct. So you see more of that patina on copper roofs. With standing seam metal roofs, because of the Kynar coating, they don't show that patina.
Gotcha. Thank you so much, Cesar. If you'd like to learn more about metal roofs or need any advice on roofing in general, turn to Howard & Sons, 619-343-2228, or you can always find them on ApprovedHomePros.com/Howard.